What is up, y'all? Welcome back to, wait. What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Bar, and welcome back to another YouTube video. And today, I got another series on the channel for y'all. I know, so many new series, but there's so much new content for y'all. So today, we have a cooking series. Even though I'm on campus, I still got a kitchen, access to a kitchen. So I'm like, why not cook? You know what I'm saying? It's like November, but you know, why not cook? Why not cook? Today, as you can see, the camera is moving. I have a camera woman, y'all. Gotta like just show yourself real quick.
I look a hot mess right now, but hey guys.
Time is currently 7:12, and so I'm gonna tell you guys what dish we're gonna be cooking today. We got pork chops. We just got stripping. And then over here we got mashed potatoes and brown gravy.
Period.
Like I'm in science class. In the pot. A little more.
No, it's fine.
Lemon pepper.
Yes. hours to eat. We're starving.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Tabari! Pick it up! Tabari! Oh my goodness.
I just got burned. Woo! 27,000 people judge me on my Well, I thought Pink Lamborghini just a race to China, just a race to China, just a race with China, little bad Trini. But she mixed with China, real thick. Smuggle fix to China.
Period.
Stop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing 60 stars in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on.